Mastering SIPOC diagram in minutes. Ever feel lost in a sea of business processes? Let's simplify it with a SIPOC diagram. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Zach, and today I will be explaining the SIPOC diagram. This powerful tool is used in quality and continuous improvement, operations and process management, process design, and Lean Six Sigma. Let's dive into the details of the SIPOC diagram. What is a SIPOC diagram? A SIPOC diagram is a visual tool that summarizes the inputs and outputs of one or more processes. SIPOC stands for suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers. It is widely used in process management to identify the key elements of a process improvement project. It's a simple way to map out the key parts of any process. First, list your suppliers. They're the ones who provide the inputs. Inputs are the resources you need to start the process. Next, outline the process itself, the steps you take to get things done. After that, identify the outputs. These are the results of your process. Finally, figure out who your customers are. They're the ones who receive the outputs. SIPOC diagram template. Here is a template of a SIPOC diagram. On the left, we have suppliers, followed by inputs, process, outputs, and finally customers on the right. Example 1. Making a cup of coffee. Let's take the example of making a cup of coffee. Suppliers who provide the inputs could be store and utility company. Inputs, those are the needed resources and ingredients to start the process, which could be cup, coffee, water, milk, sugar, spoon, and electricity. Process, which is the steps you take to get things done, can be described as add water, coffee, milk, and sugar. Then mix well. Then turn on the coffee maker, and wait carefully. Finally, pour coffee into the cup, and turn off the coffee maker. Outputs or the process outcomes are a hot and nice cup of coffee. Customers who receive and enjoy the outcomes might be a friend, a family member, or a customer. Now let's discuss how we can use the SIPOC diagram to improve making a cup of coffee process and the lessons we can learn from it. Suppliers. Ensure a consistent supply of high-quality coffee beans and fresh milk from trusted suppliers. Inputs. Use precise measurements for coffee, water, milk, and sugar to maintain consistency. Process. Optimize the mixing and brewing steps to reduce waiting time and ensure a perfect blend. Outputs. Aim for a consistently hot and flavorful cup of coffee every time. Customers. Gather feedback from friends, family members, and customers to continuously improve the taste and presentation. Example 2. Pizza process. Now, let's look at another example. The pizza making process. Suppliers who provide the inputs could be Dairy Supply Corporation, Vegetable Farmers United, or Prepared Foods Corporation. Inputs, those are the needed resources and ingredients to start the process, which could be dough, sauce, cheese, olives, peppers. Process, which is the steps you take to get things done, can be described as prepare dough, add sauce, add cheese and toppings, bake in oven, and finally remove from oven and serve. Outputs or the process outcomes are a hot and delicious pizza. Yummy. Customers who receive and enjoy the outcomes might be dine-in customers, takeaway customers, and delivery customers. Now, let's discuss how we can use the SIPOC diagram to improve making a pizza process and the lessons we can learn from it. Suppliers. Partner with reliable suppliers to get fresh and high-quality ingredients such as cheese and vegetables. Inputs. Standardize the amount of dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings to ensure uniformity. Process. Streamline the dough preparation and baking process to maintain efficiency and reduce cooking time. Outputs. Ensure that each pizza is baked to perfection with a balance of flavors. Customers. Collect feedback from dine-in, takeaway, and delivery customers to enhance the overall experience. Now, why is SIPOC so cool? It helps you see the big picture, spot bottlenecks, and improve efficiency. Plus, it's super easy to use. By identifying and analyzing each component of the SIPOC diagram, we can make targeted improvements that lead to better outputs and higher customer satisfaction. So next time you're working on a project, grab a piece of paper and draw your own SIPOC diagram. Trust me, it's a game changer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.